Hey, how you guys doing today? Today we have a 2017 Nissan Maximum. Easy job. We're changing the wheel hub. If you want to learn how to remove and install a wheel hub, stay with me. My name is Dia and welcome to Learn Mechanic. Alright guys, first thing, we have 2 bolts for brake caliper, 14mm. Removing these 2 bolts so you can get access into it. Put this bolt on the side, remove it, remove brake pads. And then we have a 22mm for caliper bracket. Move these 2 bolts. And okay, after we remove these 2 bolts right here, remove the caliper bracket, put it on the side, and gonna remove the brake rotor. Just wiggle and jiggle, remove it, put it on the side. So that wheel hub have 2 bolts on the top right here on top and 2 bolts on the bottom, but you can't get into that one. You have to remove the axle nut. Remove that one first, axle nut, and then we'll remove the hub. Alright, so we'll remove the axle nut right here. It's 32mm. Make sure you remove that one and don't put it back. You have to put the new one. And then we have 4 bolts on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a 17mm. 4 bolts. You remove that one and you can remove the wheel hub after that. Alright guys, next step, we remove the 4 bolts. You can't remove that wheel hub if you did not remove the wheel speed sensor. If you remove it without removing the wheel speed sensor, you will break the wheel speed sensor and you have to buy a new one. So our parts right here, it's a doorless wheel hub. Very cheap, very helpful. I recommend it. It's really cool parts. So 10mm, 1 screw, the wheel speed sensor, remove it, very easy. And removing wheel hub. Don't forget that shield after you put the new one. It's very important. Alright, and that was it for today. We're just gonna put that shield back and put the new wheel hub, speed sensor, put everything back together, and that should be it for today. If that video was helpful, please don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. That will help me a lot. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. See you later.